today is family picnic days, and we'll be walking around and asking people. How do you feel about the event?
Oh, it's very exciting. There are a lot of stalls and free goodies, so children are enjoying a lot, I see. And I'm having a good time here. Thank you.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Lindy and I'm from grade 6.
So, how do you feel about this event?
Very interesting, and my favorite booth is the Ghost Bowling because I think it's like very interesting and very fun.
Hi Austin, what are you doing here?
I'm here to sell those cute little bags for money for charity. You know, I've been in this school for a long time, and every year we got lots of people here for this family picnic, and everybody enjoying, having fun.
Well, I'm so happy because I get to have the kids, enjoy the magic tricks. Because today I'm Doctor Strange and I get to do magic. Yeah, why not, right?
Hi, see.
Oh, this is very nice event. I think very even great. Everybody's so happy. Everybody's smiling. So many, so interesting costumes. Perfect.
Today's event is fantastic. There's magic everywhere. It's a lot of scary events, and we have a beautiful blue sky.
오늘 이렇게 코스튬도 하고 왔는데 너무 다 같이 즐길 수 있어서 너무 재밌는 것 같아요.
Very good school, very good staff, people, very fun. Thank you very much.
This event is very nice. A lot of different people, different costumes. Very creative, yes.
Which one was your favorite booth?
Which one is your favorite booth? Brazilian picnic.
Yeah, the
Sausage.
Sausage?
Coke, Diet Coke.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, it's great. It's always in HKIS you have a great event. So this day is also very good. And the weather also not so hot. Pretty comfortable weather.